beauty unicorns, and welcome back to my channel and this video where we're gonna discuss some things. A while ago, I say a while ago, but I don't think it was that long ago, I did a video about brands that I feel release too much too often, and I will leave that up here. And I asked you if you wanted to hear like my thoughts on brands that I feel aren't releasing enough, and a bunch of you were interested in seeing that. And well, it's always fun to find new things to film, but let's be honest here, people, most brands release a lot of things these days. So I just came to think about some brands that I really like, that I feel aren't releasing enough to their potential, and that, like, I'm not saying that they should release more. I'm just saying that maybe these brands aren't as hyped as they should be because they're releasing so few things. So is it wrong of the brands to not release enough, or is it the other brands just releasing too much? I'm leaving that up for discussion, but these are some brands that I wish would release more things and that I think could benefit from actually releasing more things. If you're wondering about what I'm wearing or the makeup I'm having, I don't know if this makeup look is already up on my channel. If it is, I'll leave it up here, but maybe it isn't, and then it's coming up. I just don't really know in which order I'm uploading these videos, but anyways, let's get into it. The first brand I wanted to talk about is a brand that actually is kind of hyped up, but I don't know why aren't they releasing more products? And every time they release something, it's an old product in a new packaging, or it's two old products in one new I don't get it. And the brand is Benefit, and I don't think anyone's surprised. I'm like, did they release anything this year that wasn't like just repackaged? They released a blush. Oh yeah, Benefit, this was your year, you released a blush. You really got something going on there, don't you? I don't get it. I mean, they're a big brand, they're at Sephora. Don't you have to release a certain amount of things if you're at Sephora? Or is it just like, just release anything and put new on it? It doesn't really have to be new. New packaging, new product, we don't really care. Either way, I don't know. Benefit, I don't know. Are they releasing any new things? Do they have eyeshadows? I don't think they have eyeshadows. I think they could benefit no pun intended. I think they could benefit, wait, I have to say this. I think Benefit could benefit, from having some eyeshadows. But I don't think that they should release it just to release it, but I feel like it is a bit of a hole, like, in their line. And I mean, just releasing a box blush, it isn't really that exciting now, is it? Next brand is a brand that I think that a lot of people have a warm place in their heart for this brand, but I do think that a lot of us are feeling a bit sad to see that this brand is struggling a bit, and that is Makeup Geek. Oh, I love Makeup Geek, I love Marlena, but that brand is on the struggle bus, and I just don't really know what's going on. The releases that they have had have been misplaced and not that exciting, and the color schemes have been a bit off. I think that Makeup Geek at this point would benefit from just releasing more single eyeshadows, because they have discontinued a lot of eyeshadows, including Enchanted Forest, which is so good. I'm upset. Enchanted Forest, we need to bring that one back. We need a petition. But honestly, I just feel like they're releasing too seldom, and the things that they're releasing are not up to par to what other brands are releasing. And I don't really know what's going on at Makeup Geek headquarters. I just want to go over there and just be like, let's just release some matte, like, colorful shadows, some matte deep jewel tone shadows, because I know that people would want to see that from Makeup Geek. And I don't really know what's going on over there, and I really think that they would benefit from having a really good, trendy product drop real soon. Next brand is a brand that I like this brand a lot, and this brand had the potential of being like a super hyped up brand because it just came to Ulta, and it is Model's Own, and this is a UK based brand. They started with nail polishes, then they went into makeup, and then they entered Ulta. This is where they should have started getting some new products out, but the only thing that I've seen from them that has been new is a really stupid lip kit with glitter. No. And also an eyeshadow palette that is exclusive for Ulta, which is you're an UK based brand and you're not even releasing your products in UK. That is stupid. I think that's stupid. Anyways, I feel like this brand could really benefit from having some really nice collections drop, like at least once every season. And I feel like maybe they have been so caught up with just trying to get everything to puzzle together in a good way, but I think it's time for this brand to start dropping some really cool news. Otherwise people are gonna forget about them and they're gonna be the new Pretty Vulgar, like in and out. And I feel like I like Model's Own. I want them to be nice. They're affordable, they're fun, they have nice packaging, they have nice products. Pretty please, would you release some fun stuff soon, because it's a bit of a snooze. Another brand is a brand that I really love, but they are just releasing like once every year and I don't get it, and that brand is Suva Beauty. I love Suva Beauty. I love their like the liners. They have like pots with eyeliners that you activate with water and then you draw them on. They're amazing. I have 2 of the colors. They're so good. I've used them on my channel. I have a bunch of their eyeshadows. I have a palette. I have singles. Their eyeshadows are so good. And they didn't release anything for like the longest time, like nothing, not even new colors. And then they release something and it's liquid highlighters. This is not what you need. What you need is to go with the theme that everybody loves, and that is the good, pigmented, colorful eyeshadows. That's what people are going for with the Suva brand, and I feel like if they don't release more eyeshadows soon, or more pots of liners, or anything cool at all, I think that they're gonna be forgotten, because they're one of those brands that there was a bit of buzz around them and then they didn't release anything. And I really like them and I don't want them to go away. Next brand I'm going to mention is a personal favorite, and this is Makeup Diction Cosmetics, and I love that brand so much. The quality of their stuff is amazing. I would say up par to like Juvia's Place. Their palettes are slim, sturdy, beautiful. The shadows are amazing. They have great color selections. But they need to release more palettes more often, because I think they released 1 eyeshadow palette this year, and then they had like a highlighter palette that was a bit weird and some pigments, and I'm just like, I get that you're a small brand, but don't lose sight of what you're really good at, and that is eyeshadow palettes. And I really hope that they get some more eyeshadow palettes out next year, because this is a brand that I am speaking of with a lot of love, because I think they're amazing. But I think that the reason why there's not enough buzz around them is because there is too much quiet time in between releases, and I think that they would really benefit from just getting more things out faster, so that people would see the brand, know the brand, and remember the brand. So those are the brands that I wanted to mention that I feel could benefit from actually releasing more stuff more often. And it's not a lot of brands, only 5 brands, right? I hope it's 5, because I just said it's 5. And then if you have any other suggestions of brands that you feel could benefit from releasing more things, let us all know. Let's have a discussion in the comments. I love that. I always read all my comments and I answer as many of them as I have time with, and I would love to hear if there's anything that you feel like I missed. There's not a lot of brands right now. They are not releasing like 70 things a month, so this list was a bit of a struggle, but I still felt like there was a couple of brands that I like that could benefit from from releasing more things more often. And yeah, that was my list. Don't forget to subscribe, the button is down below. I'd love to have you. I do upload quite a lot of videos now, and I would love to see you in my next one, which will be real soon. Bye!